Okay, so first we imported sys because we're going to be using it throughout this project. First I printed out standard input just as to follow the same format that we had for the example code. Next I have text, which is reading in from the standard input, or I guess the whatever the user types in. Next we have a while loop that while there's text able to be put in and they haven't hit Control-Z yet, it prints the text and it doesn't make a new line just to follow the same format that we had on the example that you showed us, or the example output. Then we have the text being read again, and it just loops on until Control-Z gets hit. And now we have argc, which equals the length of the total inputs that were put in the command line. Then we have variable 1, 2, and 3, which are just empty strings. Then we have end, which is the index counter I made. Next we have a for loop that is 4 arguments in all the arguments that were typed into the command line go. Next we have if the command that is being read is the number 3 option, then 3 will be equal, the 3 variable we have up here will be set to the empty string. If argument is equal to the 2 option, then the 2 variable will be set to whatever was right after this symbol in the command line. And same for 1. If the argument is this symbol, the option 1 symbol, then 1 variable will be set equal to the next thing after this in the command line. And then it just increments it at the end of the for loop. And we're going to print command line arguments, and if the length of variable 1 is greater than or equal to 1, we're going to print option 1 with whatever was after it, as we have set up here. Then we have if length of variable 2 is greater than or equal to 1, we're going to print option 2 with whatever option 2 is. And then if length of 3 is greater than or equal to 1, which means it was just seen, then this prints option 3 just with no data since it doesn't have any data. And that is it.